Your living room is more than just a gathering space. It's where you relax after a long day, host friends and family, and create lasting memories. If you're looking for a way to make your living room feel larger, brighter, and more inviting, bay windows are a beautiful and practical upgrade for homes in Lafayette. With their distinctive design and ability to transform both the interior and exterior of a home, bay windows offer a unique combination of space, style, and functionality. Creating the feeling of more space. One of the most noticeable benefits of bay windows is how they extend outward from the home. Unlike flat windows that sit flush with the wall, bay windows project outward, typically using a combination of 3 panels, a large center window flanked by 2 angled side windows. This outward extension creates additional interior space in your living room. Even a modest bump out can make the room feel larger and more open. In many Lafayette homes, this extra space becomes a cozy reading nook, a window seat, or a decorative display area. The added square footage may seem subtle, but it can significantly change how your living room feels and functions. Maximizing natural light. Natural light plays a major role in how spacious and welcoming a room feels. Bay windows are designed to capture light from multiple angles, thanks to their angled side panels. In Lafayette, where sunshine brightens much of the year, bay windows help flood your living room with daylight. This reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day and creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. More natural light can also highlight your decor, enhance paint colors, and make your entire space feel more vibrant. Enhancing your home's style. Bay windows add architectural interest that instantly elevates a living room's appearance. From the outside, they create depth and dimension, boosting curb appeal. From the inside, they become a stunning focal point. Whether your Lafayette home features a traditional, contemporary, or transitional design, bay windows can be customized to match your style. Frame materials, finishes, grid patterns, and glass options allow you to tailor the look to your preferences. The result is a living room that feels both elegant and personalized. Framing beautiful outdoor views. Another reason homeowners love bay windows is the way they frame outdoor scenery. The large center pane provides a wide, unobstructed view, while the angled side windows expand your perspective. Whether you're overlooking a landscaped yard or a quiet neighborhood street, bay windows help bring the outdoors in. This visual connection to your surroundings makes your living room feel more open and relaxing. Increasing functionality. Bay windows don't just look beautiful, they're highly functional. The additional ledge space can be used creatively to enhance your living room's usability. Many homeowners in Lafayette choose to install built-in seating beneath their bay windows. This creates extra seating without taking up valuable floor space. Others use the area for plants, decorative accents, or storage benches. The versatility of bay windows allows you to design the space in a way that fits your lifestyle. Improving energy efficiency. Modern bay windows are built with energy-efficient features that help maintain indoor comfort. Double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and low-E coatings reduce heat transfer and minimize drafts. This means your living room can stay comfortable throughout changing seasons in Lafayette, while potentially lowering heating and cooling costs. A valuable investment in your home. Upgrading to bay windows is more than a cosmetic improvement. It's an investment in your home's comfort and value. The added space, enhanced natural light, and improved curb appeal can increase your property's overall attractiveness to future buyers. If you're ready to transform your living room into a brighter, more spacious, and stylish gathering place, bay windows are a smart choice for homes in Lafayette. With professional installation and thoughtful design, they can redefine your living space for years to come.